here to present my auto-safe braking system. It's based on AI and DS, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Objective: an automatic braking system is an important part of safe technology for automobiles. It is an advanced system specifically designed to either prevent possible collision or reduce the speed of the moving vehicles. To develop a intelligent braking system for automobiles, to find braking distance at variable vehicle speed as well as minimum distance before collision. Define: automatic braking is an safety technology that automatically activates the vehicle brake system to some degrees when necessary. Some also provides brake assistance by pre-changing the brakes to provide more power when the driver brakes. If the driver fails to press the brake pedal, the car brakes on its own. An automatic braking system involves a number of systems working together to either regulate or avoid a crash. Ideate: in this project, we are using ultrasonic sensor for detecting the objects or vehicles. It also measures the distance of a vehicle in front of ours. It's connected to ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. Ultrasonic sensor sends the output to the controller. The plus time will vary depends on the closeness between the sensors and the objects. Using this pulse timing to control measures the distance. When the distance becomes low, the controller will switch on the relay for applying brake. Next one is methodology. Design and fabrication, braking system, accessoring camera, sensor and radar, result and decisions. Prototype: it is an advanced system specifically designed to either prevent possible collisions or reduce speed of the moving vehicle prior to collision with another vehicle when some spot. Automated braking assistant with computerized version. During the next decade and avoid driver assistance systems will play a key role in a change of increasing automobile activity safety. In this paper, an automatic braking system has been developed in automobile. When it is fully implanted with the vehicle, it could prevent some of the numerical vehicle and vehicles accident. Components: military spray service. Its advantages: increased stopping power, especially on ice, decreasing insurance cost, improving the traction controls, stop time, consistency. Advantages of this vehicle: difficult to censor from soft, cruised when thin or small objects, maintenance cost of a car after required with this technology is higher. Thank you.